$6.75 for 9.9 miles right over there at Dash Mart. And guess what? It's gonna stay right over there. And this one is too. $6 for 6 miles. I'm not taking either one of them. $9 for 18 miles. I cannot take that. I cannot take that. That's horrible.
Sir, yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Welcome back to the channel. Today is gonna be day 2 of testing out which is better in the same market, a low AR or a high AR. I'm currently paused right now. Been paused for like what, 2 or 3 minutes. The time is 10 o'clock. I am currently sitting at a 19%. 19%, sitting on a 19% acceptance rate. Everything else looking good. I still got to get rid of that contract violation, but that's no worries. We're gonna be able to knock out hopefully 15 deliveries today, and then we'll be through with that contract violation. We waiting on Big Bro to get here right now. We're gonna be meeting up at the Panera today. But look, it's raining today, guys. Look, it's finna be rain all day today. So you know what that actually makes for? So whenever there's rain, it actually makes it better for food delivery and grocery delivery. So I'm hoping that I make more money today than I did yesterday. Only $62 with my low acceptance rate yesterday. And funny enough, even with the few orders I did accept, with all that stuff I declined, I'm right back to where I started. I started yesterday with 18% and I'm sitting at 19% today. And I ain't make no money yesterday. I made 62 bucks and I actually ended up going and turning on Walmart, Spark, and Uber once I got back in my area so that I could at least make $100 for the day, because woo! It was rough. But we here though, and we're gonna give you guys some results. If you only got Doordash and you have a low acceptance rate, what kind of offers are you gonna see? Well, today we're gonna show you. So this is gonna be day 2. I'm gonna be screenshotting every single order, and hopefully, hey, pray for Trader, man. Let's, drop a comment below. Emoji or something. Pray that I make some money today. I got a $100 goal and I need it as fast as possible. But look, if it's any no-tip orders, you already know they gonna stay right where they at, because we do not play that. So we here, we ready. I've been sitting here paused about 10 minutes. Got my boy here, ready to go. Let's do it. Look, we're gonna turn these apps on at the same time and we're gonna see what we get. Today we're gonna focus on, is miles to money ratio what you should be sitting and waiting around for? So,
you can turn this on. You can turn this on now?
I'm on right now.
Turn mine on right now as well. So I'm gonna put mine, all right. And let's just see here.
Now it is raining outside, so I'm expecting to get something. So to all my new Doordash drivers out there, this is a quick little tip for you right here. Make sure you decline those offers, because for one, you want to make sure that it gets a chance to go up by a quarter if you can. But if you don't decline it, they will send it to you twice. And that's 2 hits to your acceptance rate if you're trying to raise it. So you might as well decline it.
New device to have it updated.
So look, Pedro's got an order. He's heading over to Starbucks.
Let's go.
Wish us luck, man. We're gonna give y'all some results and we're gonna show you what are you gonna see if you have a low acceptance rate. Let's get right to it. Offer, and they ain't gave me nothing. I done turned on Uber just to see what they gonna send me over there. But looky here, it's been 20 minutes basically and I ain't got no offer besides that one $3 offer. Oh, finally I got one. We got $9.75 for 4.6 miles. Now look at that. That's 2-to-1 miles to money ratio. We got $1 peak pay. I like that. Even if that said $8.75, I would still take that offer. Okay, because that offer right there got the tip on it. And that's all I'm asking for is a little tip. Value your driver and I can rock with you. They own catering. They don't need no help. I think I just might have got my first good offer in 2 days. Smoking Barrels Barbecue, $11.25 for 5 miles. That's the best looking offer I done seen in a very, very long time. So we very close. We finna slide on over to Smoking Barrels. Right around the corner too. We made it to our destination. Nice little place off over to the side. Smoking Barrels Barbecue. Let's go head on in and see if they got it ready. Oh, raise up. Push up. How you doing? Picking up a Doordash order. John T. Almost ready? All right, cool. Alrighty, guys. So it looks like we're gonna be waiting for a second on this one. They just got this order and they didn't even turn their tablet on, man. If you a merchant out there and you dealing with Doordash to facilitate your deliveries, right? I need you to turn that tablet on, because look, when you don't turn that tablet on, we're not making no money. So now I get to sit here for like 10 minutes. Matter of fact, the first hour is already up. I only done made $9 this first hour. Now, that's because I'm only using Doordash. If I would have multi-app, I probably would have made at least $20 an hour. But look, hour number 2, and now I'm sitting here waiting. They just put the order in when I got here. They literally had to read it off the phone. Oh, I got another order. I'm finna take this one too because I'm already here. But the tablet ain't working over there. So now he finna have to enter these orders manually. Doordash tablet ain't working. But I'm already here, so I might as well take it. Oh, I'm taking it. I knew I was gonna get another one though. That's why, well, I guess it was worth waiting on those orders because at least that guarantees me $20 for this hour right here. I have no idea where I'm going. That's pretty cool. Oh, that must be John right there.
It is, yes sir.
You the man with 2 orders.
You did catch it. Awesome.
Yes.
Great. Thank you.
No, thank you. Because look, I was already waiting on the first one.
Perfect.
So it made it perfect because there's no point in driving to a whole new spot for
Right.
another order. So
Thank
that
you
works
so
for me.
much.
Did you want me to just click hand or snap a picture?
Oh, you're good.
Thank you. Have a good one. Alrighty, so we got both of those orders dropped off. And $11.25 on one and $8 on the order. So with those 2 orders, I made $19.25. So I am now, I'm gonna let this update real quick. Oh, I'm outside of my zone. I gotta go back in. Oh man, I gotta go back in. So look, I'm outside of my zone right now, y'all. So if I end it, I'm gonna lose my spot, but I'm in Clayton. You know what? I'm gonna take a chance, y'all. I'm gonna show y'all. I'm gonna go ahead and end it. I'm at 29 bucks. That's halfway to what I made yesterday. Okay, and it says it's very busy. So let's go ahead and hit in for Clayton. We're gonna go to 3 p.m. Okay, so I'm good. Okay, so I didn't lose my spot. So we good. I thought that I wasn't gonna get another time slot until 3 p.m. So I switched my zones. Now let's see what we get. This actually might work out better for me, I'm hoping. Cause man, yesterday was terrible just staying in one zone. So look, we're gonna head over to closer to where I know these restaurants is at. And I'm gonna show y'all what we get. It's over with and we got $7.50 at Chick-fil-A. I'll take that. Alrighty, the time is now 12 o'clock, hour and a half in. I'm sitting at 27. I got my next order already. $7.50 right back here at this Chick-fil-A I started at. This one is gonna be taking me into Clayton, so I'm cool with it. What they got, some drinks, some desserts. Alrighty, so moving right along. Next offer I got after that last drop off, $6.75 for 9.9 miles. Right over there at Dash Mart, and guess what? It's gonna stay right over there. And this one is too. $6 for 6 miles. I'm not taking either one of them Dash Marts. They can go ahead and leave them right there, because that's not gonna work for me. $4.50 for 3.8 miles. Like again, we ain't making no money when we take offers like that, but you know what? There's a caveat. I think today is gonna be slightly better because those 2 orders that I got gave me a $20 hour, and then I was able to get this too. $7.50 for 3.6 miles right here at Alibi Cookies. Could you even believe it? Hello. I'm doing good. I'm picking up a Doordash order for Emily. Alrighty guys, we got our cookies. We got them in the hot bag ready to go. Let's get it delivered. Alrighty guys, we are at the 2-hour mark and I'm sitting at $15 on this dash. And on my previous dash, I had 27, I believe. Let's see. No, 29. On my previous dash, I did 29. And on this one, I'm sitting at 15. So that's 44 bucks in 2 hours. So we're doing much better than yesterday. 22 bucks an hour. So I'm back in Webster Groves. I'm gonna end my dash because I'm dashing in Clayton. And oops, that was a mistake. So I'm gonna hit dash along the way because it's not busy over here. So I'm gonna go back into Clayton, but I hit dash along the way so that I can at least maybe receive some orders heading over to that direction. $9 for 18 miles. I cannot take that. I cannot take that. That's horrible. Man, it is not getting no better than this. $6.25, 11.8 miles. I'm good on that. I am super good on that. But we over here in Maplewood now. It's literally like 20 different restaurants over here. I'm actually right across from a Walmart. So you know they be sending them orders through when you're close to Walmart. This is a little business plaza right here. I'm posted. Cause look, I just drove all the way back over into this zone, and I actually was hoping I was gonna get something on the way over, but I didn't. But this is just to show you, look, if you got a really low acceptance rate and you only use Doordash, you might wanna think twice because look, I wanna make sure you out there maximizing and making that money. And as you can see, Trader only done made about what, $44 today? And I've been out for 2.5 hours now, so it's been a whole extra half hour, and I ain't got no new order, so gotta switch gears. I'm not gonna switch gears. I'm telling y'all, y'all gotta switch gears when things like this happen. Be prepared to open up that next app and see what you get. Look at this. Look at that. You see that? That map is red. Finally, look. $4.85 for 2 miles. And that's gonna take me across the highway at McDonald's. I'm not taking that. I'm not taking that one. I'll screenshot it. But I don't like the cash flow. The order may be ready, but I don't want to take a chance on an order that may be ready, and I don't like the cash flow. The miles to money is there, but the cash flow ain't there for me. Look at that map. That's a big old red hotspot. And I drove all the way over here and didn't get nothing. So that means that they prioritizing the people with the higher acceptance rate, and I'll get the trash that falls behind. We finally got one that's sort of decent. 525, 3.6 miles right here at Noodles and Company. Now I'm gonna take that because it's a possibility that they can stack it. Let's see if they got this order. I hate using the correct door. Hey guys, we got a hand to me. This one is going to the marketing department at the Repertory Theater of St. Louis. And I am outside of my zone again. So looks like I'm gonna be ending that dash. And the order dropped off, and now I had to end my dash because I was outside my zone. Now what I can do is I can try to click this zone or that zone, but if I click downtown, it says dash along the way. So what I'll do is I'll go ahead and dash along the way to downtown. I'll set it for 3, but here's the thing. I'm really just trying to get an order that will take me down that way, right? Because it may be restaurants over here that with a delivery going in that direction. That's the only thing I'm hoping for, because I'm better to do one more delivery and then my time's gonna be up. Now today went very, very different from yesterday. So all in all, we looking at about $49 for 3 hours. We at the 3 hour mark now. We looking at $49 hours, which is not great, but it's definitely better than yesterday, because look, this is what you got to realize. Yesterday I was out for longer and I had to decline a lot more orders. I didn't have to decline not nearly as many orders today. So let me have a look at my screenshots, and I stayed quite busy really the entire time. Didn't have a lot of downtime, but the trade-off for that is I had wait time waiting on the orders I did accept. All right, so the first order that I declined today was a Dollar General order, $5 for 2 miles. And that one wasn't horrible. It's just, it was a lot of items on it, and I don't have a red card, so I would have declined that one anyway. Next order, I did an $11.25 order, and they actually sent me an add-on, which was an additional $7. And then my next order was a Chick-fil-A order, $7.50. And after that, I did get a Dash Mart, $6.75 for 9.9 miles. That one was a hard decline. And then another Dash Mart, $6 for 6 miles. Just didn't like that one. Miles to money ratio was 1-to-1, but I didn't like the pickup and the drop off. Next order they sent me, $4.50 for 3.8 miles at Slim Chickens. Now, not a horrible offer, but I just wasn't liking it for that cash flow in that time of the day. The next order I got was Alibi Cookies, $7.50, and I took that one. But here's the thing. When I got there, they had just popped them cookies in the oven. And I like the pickup, I like the drop off, I love the cash flow, and I got to see my buddy, so that was all good though. Next order after Alibi Cookies was, they sent me a flower shop. Now this one was an add-on, no tip, $2.50. So I can say I saw a no tip order today, which I don't like to see, but flower shop, they needed some flowers delivered. They didn't want to tip though. It is what it is. It ain't for me. Next order, $11.75 for 10.4 miles at Dash Mart. Now, this one was a dash along the way order because I was outside of my zone, so maybe that's why the mileage was a little extra on this one. But still though, I still think it would have been at least 8 confirmed miles on that order. So I couldn't do it. It's just too many miles. Ooh, now this one was the one that really hurt me. $9 for 18.3 miles at the Flower Boutique. Like, how you 20 miles away? You telling me between where you at and where I'm at, it ain't no other place that you can get no flowers from? That's quite ridiculous. So we can't take orders like that, guys. Like, you ain't gonna make no money if you're sitting up there making $9 and driving 20 miles delivering flowers. Next order, we had an alcohol order, $3.25. This is a no-tip order, guys. I know because, first of all, it's an alcohol delivery, right? The base pay is only $2.25 in my market. So this order has been declined at least 4 times because the pickup time was so close to the time they sent me the order that I knew that it had been declined hella times, and that's the only reason that the base pay went up that high. It wasn't a dollar tip on that one. Had to let it go. Now this one, $6.25 for 11.8 miles at Red Lobster. I don't even know what to say about this one, because what you got to realize is Red Lobster ain't no cheap food. This is not no fast food we talking about. So whoever lived 12 miles away ordering, you should already know that you should be slapping a 10 on there. And I don't think DoorDash is hiding, you know, if it was $10, if it was a full payout of at least 11.80 cents on this order, DoorDash is gonna show you 11.80 cents because they want this order done. They know most Dashers is not gonna take this. That means that's all that was there, but they still gotta facilitate it. So that's how that order ends up being $6.25 for 11 miles. It's ridiculous. Next order, $4.85. Now this is a tip for all my new Dashers out there. If you see an order that's got like an odd change amount, you know, 65 cent, 23 cent, anything that's not a 50 cent or a whole dollar, that's all you getting, okay? Especially if it's below that hidden tip indicator. But even if it's over, that's all you getting on those odd change number orders, because whenever it's not a straight up dollar, whole dollar or a half dollar, that's all you getting, and you better believe it. So next order, we got $5.25 for 3.6. At Noodles and Company, I did take that one. That one was okay. And I just dropped it off, and that's all I got, y'all. So we're gonna see how Pedro did. You know, I didn't decline as many orders as I did yesterday, but still saw some trash. But I was able to stay busier today, and I got that money in a shorter amount of time today. So it is what it is. I'm cool. The man, the myth, the legend, Mr. Bet on You himself. How was it, man?
Rough.
Oh, man. Got some flatbread pizza, got some soup. Pedro over there chowing down.
Baja Bowl.
And we got a nice, well, I ain't gonna say we, because it's not mine.
That's me. That's me. Give me that trader. That's mine.
That cookie bigger than my hand. Jesus. This is how you want to eat after a day of making no money.
Yep.
Man, I am full. I just got done eating this pizza. Couldn't even finish it. And I had some soup too. So look, here's the results from today. We did $49 in 3 hours. So it's horrible, right? But here's the caveat. I actually got a few decent offers today. Nothing that I would consider a banger, but something that can keep the wheels rolling. So we're gonna have a look real quick. I did a $29, a $15, and a $5.